It has been a very rainy and wet summer here in Kentucky, and the weeds seem to be liking the rain a whole lot more than the vegetables that I'm trying to grow. Some of them are doing okay, but a lot look to be actually drowning. And I definitely wouldn't say that I love weeding, but there's something somewhat meditative about it, or at least that's how I try to approach it, and how I'm trying to approach a lot of things lately in life. I am definitely someone that has a default where I feel like I need to be doing something, or even multiple things at the same time, stacking activities, some sort of input of some sort, whether that's watching television while eating or listening to an audiobook while on a walk, rather than just eating or walking. And with weeding, I am trying to just weed and focus on weeding rather than listening to the radio, which I still do.
The United Nations has warned countries to start preparing for the effects of an El Niño weather event. The World Meteorological Organization says the naturally occurring phenomenon has begun. It's expected to cause a surge in global temperatures.
And I have found that, for the most part, I like weeding by hand. I have a few different types of hose that I've used in my garden, but mostly because I have raised beds, and just given how wet it's been, I've found that even when I use a hoe that I've tried to sharpen to make it just cut the weeds off at the surface, just tends to not be as effective as weeding by hand. And it's very satisfying too when you get a full root mass up in one go and pulling a nuisance plant from the ground, because that's really what a weed is. I mean, there's the ecologist in me has to take a moment to say that a weed is not a type of plant, just a plant that we don't want and in our garden or wherever. So hopefully, if you're gardening this year, your garden is less wet than mine, but by no means dry. Hopefully you're receiving a perfect amount of rain, that your beds remain weed-free, or that you find pleasure in weeding, which I'm attempting to do. Hopefully you like this video. Every one of my videos is a little different. A different style, a different topic. Because like my garden, my YouTube channel is an opportunity for me to experiment as I share my life, which generally revolves around trying to live a happier, healthier, more sustainable life. Until next time, my name is Tyler Lloyd, and I wish you the best. Bye.